नमस्ते, गुड मॉर्निंग। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? देखिए, फ्यू मिनट्स यू कैन गिव टू योर सेल्फ, few minutes of breathing exercises every day, few minutes of few yoga asanas every day can give you a new life. It can transform your life. You can get more energy, you can relieve stress, and you can improve the quality of your life. You will feel better, you will feel healthy. We live in this body which is given to us by the God. The greatest gift of God is life. This body, this is a vehicle in which we live. This body has got organs, cells, and they are living things in our body. We must take care of them. If we do not take care of them, then the parts of our body, the organs of our body, they will fall sick, and you will experience lot of diseases in your life. So we will do some few minutes of exercises every day, few minutes of breathing, few minutes of yoga asanas, which we will be doing today, so that we can live happily, healthily, and also take responsibility and take charge of our mind, body and soul. So I will begin by a prayer. तो हम क्या करते हैं कि देखिए, एक हमारे पास योगा मैट है, एक दरी है या एक पिल्लो है। कोई भी कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन पर आप बैठ सकते हैं। एनी कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन। मैट मैंने रखा है क्योंकि कुछ योगा के आसन मैं करूँगा। और चौकड़ी मार के बैठ जाइए, चौकड़ी मारिए सुखासन में, वज्रासन में, या जहाँ भी आपको कंफर्ट मिलता है। स्पाइनल कॉर्ड हमारी इरेक्ट होनी चाहिए। तो मैं वॉल को यूज कर सकता हूँ जब मुझे लगता है कि स्पाइनल कॉर्ड इरेक्ट नहीं है मेरी। तो हम धीरे धीरे सीख जाते हैं योगा के आसन और मेडिटेशन और ब्रीदिंग। तो वॉल को हम यूज कर सकते हैं, पिल्लोज को यूज कर सकते हैं, अपने नीचे रख सकते हैं। और सबसे पहले फिर मैं प्रार्थना प्रेयर जो है, एक प्रेयर से शुरू कर रहा हूँ। हमने अपने स्कूलों में भी ये प्रेयर की। तो अब आंखें बंद करके एक प्रार्थना करते हैं। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वाहा तस्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। तो गायत्री मंत्र का हमने उच्चारण किया। एक्सपीरियंस द लव ऑफ द डिवाइन इनसाइड योर बॉडी। तो अपने शरीर में एक्सपीरियंस कीजिए डिवाइन सोल को। और यू नो देयर आर एंजल्स विच आर देयर इन द स्काई, दे आर गोइंग टू ब्लेस अस। सो वी विल बिगिन विद फ्यू मिनट्स ऑफ ब्रीदिंग। फ्यू मिनट्स ऑफ ब्रीदिंग, बहुत सिंपल सी ब्रीदिंग करने जा रहे हैं। तो आपने अपने सारे शरीर को बहुत ही रिलैक्स करना है, अपने सारे बॉडी को। और हम क्या करेंगे, सांस लेंगे। वी विल ब्रीद इन 5 और स्लोली, और ब्रीद आउट 5। इस तरह की हम 5 to 10 राउंड्स लगाएंगे। तो ये ब्रीदिंग, एक ऑक्सीजन जो है हमारे शरीर में जब जाती है, व्हेन ऑक्सीजन गोज इनसाइड द बॉडी, द चेस्ट, आवर लंग्स, आवर स्टोमक, belly expands. So you will experience these changes, and when you exhale, you breathe out, so they will go and compress. तो ये एक क्रिया है, एक प्रोसीजर है जिससे हम अपने शरीर में ऑक्सीजन को ले सकते हैं और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो भी अंदर फॉर्म हो रही है, जो हम उसको बाहर फेंक देते हैं। तो ठीक है, डिवाइन सोल्स, आप अपना आसन ग्रहण कीजिए। कोई दरी बिछा लीजिए या मैट है योगा। एक ऐसी जगह चुनिए अपने घर में जो क्वाइट है, शांति है। ऐसा रूम जो आप प्रेयर्स के लिए यूज करते हैं, मंदिर बना रखा है आपने, तो वहाँ पर लाइट्स को मिनिमम रखिए। गो टू द डार्कर साइड व्हेन वी विल डू मेडिटेशन। तो मैं, ये मेरे पास गद्दी है, मैं और पीछे दीवार की सपोर्ट ले ताकि मेरी स्पाइनल कॉर्ड जो है वो इरेक्ट रहेगी। और ये मैंने चौकड़ी मारी है और अपने सारे शरीर को रिलैक्स किया है। मैं अपना चश्मा जो है उतार रहा हूँ और अब हम आंखें बंद कर लेंगे और हमारी ब्रीदिंग शुरू हो रही है। तो हम करेंगे इनहेल 1 2 3 4 5 और धीरे धीरे फिर एक्सहेल भी 5 4 3 2 1 अपने मन में ही काउंटिंग करनी है। तो स्टार्ट, इनहेल, exhale, inhale as deeply as possible, exhale slowly, inhale as deeply as possible, exhale, inhale as deeply as possible, exhale. Inhale, breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in, breathe out. Focus your attention on your breath. All your awareness is on the breathing from the two nostrils, and slowly you see, follow your breath when it is going inside the body. Inhale and exhale. Experience the love of the divine. You can do this 3 to 5 minutes. Come back, rub your two hands and experience the heat energy, healing energy like a field of the magnet. Put it on your face. Gentle massage your forehead, your face, your nose, lips, ears, neck, head, hands, legs, and you can open your eyes with a smile. 1 2 3. So we have done few minutes of breathing. Now I will do some yoga asanas in order to activate my body in the morning. We can do it simple one, very simple one. So the first one is very simple, cat and cow pose. I am going to take, come in this position, inverted. This is a tabletop inverted. Inhale, exhale, cat, cow. Exhale, inhale, 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 exhale. You can do 5 to 10 rounds of this inhale and exhale. This is very good because whole day you are sitting on a chair in the office and your back there is a problem, and also on this side this will release that pressure and release whatever you are sitting and open your hips also. So this is a very good asana which we can do every day. Just you can take 5 to 10 rounds. Then again, too much of sitting in the office, I can do lie down. I can go halasana. Keep inhaling, exhaling. See how much flexibility. It improves flexibility, improves your muscles and the back. And slowly we can come back. See, we have to give more flexibility, strength to our body, and our body posture alignment and our spinal cord, they should be erect. And next we can do another important asana, butterfly pose is very good. It grounds you, and you can see that alignment of the body. Slowly we will be able to get a better pose. Butterfly. Few minutes of butterfly is very good every day. Grounding. You can see strengthens the legs, improves your mental sharpness. The yoga is very important. The few poses can improve your mental clarity, release stress, improve your muscle strength, improves the circulation of blood, and keeps the diseases away from your body. Butterfly. So what we did, butterfly. If you have difficulty in the beginning, slowly, your posture will become better and better. Spinal cord we have to keep erect. And we can try as much as possible. Slowly it will improve. Next we are going to have Dhanurasana. This is very good. Bow pose. Slowly we improve ourselves. We are not perfect, but slowly when we try, we will feel better. Inhale, exhale, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 10. And slowly come back. Another one. Try to sit in Vajrasana. It is very good. Vajrasana is very good. Even after eating your meals, when you sit in Vajrasana 2 to 3 minutes, it helps in the digestion of the food. Now we are taking Balasana. I can do cross legs. Two to three minutes. Therefore, you can see what I have done. That few minutes a day, about 10 minutes a day, if we do some breathing, if we do some yoga asanas, we can rejuvenate our entire system, our entire body, activate our cells of the body, and these are all therapeutic. And few minutes a day can add good health, give you quality life, and you will start feeling better, and it will transform your life slowly and slowly. Slowly and slowly, you can increase your timings 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and by doing simple breathing and yoga asanas, we can improve our inner well-being. We can purify our mind, body, soul, and heart. And I would say that we should adopt it as a habit. Once it becomes a habit, then we will be doing it every day, and you will yourself experience the changes which will take place in your body. And I wish you all a very, very good and happy and healthy body, mind and soul. नमस्ते, मैं फिर मिलता हूँ आपको